Hello mister, who are you? I am Japanese robot Karel. I am very smart, intelligent and fast. What about you? Hector is haha smart, intelligent and fast, but not more than me because I am a Pakistani robot. Oh really? I cannot believe Japanese robots are best in the world. No my friend, no one is better than Pakistani people. Okay, can you prove your claim? Yeah sure, I can work in an office too. I can work equal to 10 people. Poor guy, you have to work for 10 people. You must be tired. I am better than you. I don't need to work because nobody work in my office, so I can sleep whole day and I remain fresh until the office close. Really, you are enjoying your life. But you know I am very fast. I can finish a 12 hours job in just 1 hour. You will be older soon. I finish 1 hour job in 12 hours, but still I am faster than you. How? Because we have load shedding. I get power only for 1 hour and 24 hours, so in that 1 hour I finish 24 hours work. Wow, you are really fast, but where do you work? I am working in government department, so I am happy and relax. Lucky man you are. Can I come to Pakistan? Can I get visa? Yeah sure, but please get life insurance first, then come. Okay, so remember, East or West, Pakistan is best.